Not knowing who or what. I think I gotta work and I wanna go back.
I'm sorry, excuse me. Let me get you some. Let me get us some. Ew. Oh, I'm so sorry. I got some alcohol. Oh, with some bleach. You need some? You want me there? You need some? With some bleach. You want some sanitizer? Yeah. I'm sorry, it was an accident. It came out of nowhere. I tried to hold it. You got no mask? You got my money to a mask. I'm gonna get a mask. I got a mask. Hold on. Let me see where I put them. I'm sorry. I apologize. Oh, let me see. You got okay. I'm sorry. You know you had just said it. That's how your sinus be in the morning. You probably had made me sneeze. Like a cough. I got you a pill too then. Well, why you didn't give me a pill? You the one brought the sinus? The sinus over here. Oh, shoot. I got it. I'm finna go. This ain't it. What you got? Oh, you didn't get yourself together. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, my knee though. You okay? No, you okay. I might be great. I look, my eyes watering. I'm sorry. You okay? You need some more sanitizer?